is beef announcement abusian kwankwansa time beef and as you say eda apono so enye nantwinam nemum this is the matter of Shatta Wale and Kwadwo Sheldon. I Spartakisi metofi mami bi ho no oye trespassing. Now the news on the table is that Kwadwo Sheldon ne Shatta Wale ni beef na abusian san rise when it rained and it flooded in Accra and some part of Accra. Abusian Kwadwo Sheldon was a victim. Now we made a video and posted it online.
So guys, our house is flooded. Our house is flooded. Now my house is flooded. So where did I go? I don't know. No one asked me to do that. Let's go.
Shatta Wale extended a helping hand, but this guy ignored, and then he there was this back and forth on X. Now it didn't end there. Kwadwo Sheldon goes to studio. Kwadwo Sheldon goes to his studios and then make a video about the whole issue, saying he know the tactics and then the antics and then the facts and the tactics of Shatta Wale. So he don't need in help because Shatta Wale is not blocking or X. And then you are expecting him to come and take your gifts. No, he doesn't like it because you know your corners. Shatta Wale released this song and the ama Kwadwo Sheldon fame and ama wonua e behave like that.
Real silent killer. Internet feel you fuck nigga. Judgment rate pon fuck niggas. Enough it do thing. Kevin tell us say your new name Big Bean. Kali J say make we call you Big. Fire stick say you the like work we.
Now Shatta Wale in song on abusian. It's man busting. He tell him nigga cry.
The girl you go take. So your dick small just like me. If you go this not be boy like me. Some 35 now your house they sink. You dey show camera. If you want invest for canoe. We dey talk for land. You dey talk for lagoon. Me I no fit draw but I go fit draw your cartoon. Big head, big eyes, corner book. Me I learn from Zongo. So watch your mouth when you dey do the combo.
This is Fame released by Shatta Wale. After who say Sheldon na play video and I say this guy. Now Osha was it there was this Kwadwo Sheldon and Kwadwo Shatta. This beef is not ending soon.
How many times I go tell you Mutombo? I get the fans from Ghana to Congo. The fuck be bongo.
There is going to be a behavior for Kwadwo Sheldon. Yes, it will be there is going to be a beef. Shatta Wale and Kwadwo Sheldon. There's going to be a beef. This beef is not ending now. And the way this beef is going, Kwadwo Sheldon has his people, Shatta Wale has his people, and then this beef is going to continue. And it's going to make the internet go crazy. It's going to make the internet go gaga. Why don't you give us a follow? Why don't you subscribe to our platform on YouTube? Because we're going to be doing this analysis and then the antics of the news that is trending on the media space. Your favorite and the youngest content creator, Sticky the Superstar. I'm finally out.